Assalamualaikum semua, kembali bersama Kong CD untuk video kali ini. Another unboxing, another parcel from Japan. Okay, so dalam box ni ada dua iPhone, satu iPhone case yang rare dan iPods macam biasalah. So let's unboxing terus. Okay, tukar kamera sikit, angle. Okay, this is the box. From Japan, UPS, tapi delivered by Ninja Van dekat sini. Okay. Yeah, clear. Okay, so iPods ada 3, semua original packaging. Kalau tak silap aku, semuanya unused. Okay, unused. Kita confirm kan nanti. iPhone 3G bag, full set box. Oh. This one is it iPhone 5C? Yes, 5C biru. And last one 5C case. This is 5C, iPhone 5C punya original case yang ada lubang-lubang tu. Tadi aku dapat warna hitam. This one, tak silap aku color pink. Yes, color pink. Very nice, very good condition, bro. Very good condition. From 5C case. Susah nak dapat ni. Okay, 5C case. So this is iPhone 5C. Sayang tak ada original box. And tapi aku beli ni just because dia punya iOS version iOS. It's not iOS 7. The one lagi ada tapi dia mahal sikit. This one very cheap. Condition not too bad. What is this? Okay, ni susah sikit nak buka. Never mind, boleh buat nanti. Kan body condition, button, let's turn on. Ada bateri tak? Is there any juice? Yes, ada juice. Why don't terlap sikit. Lap sikit. If I'm not mistaken, this running iOS 8, I think, or 9. Man. Sebab the last OS yang selalunya kalau korang jumpa 5C, the last OS dia iOS 10, which is iOS 10, the first iOS yang kena click home button. and but this one still slide to unlock. So iPhone ni slide to unlock untuk iPhone ni should be iOS 7, iOS 8 dan iOS 9. Okay, tapi this one is not iOS 7. That one is pretty much I remember. But this one is iOS 9 because the wallet icon. Confident aku the wallet icon tu. Okay, let's check. Yes, iOS 9.2 babe. That's why I buy. And 9.2. Okay, 32 gigabyte punya version. Okay, so dia dah reset this one. Go back. This is mine color hijau yang tak ada box juga. Sekejap. So kali ni aku ada color biru yang tak ada box. So far tak ada kemek, tak ada ding. So telefon ni tak pernah jatuh. Screen tak ada cala babe. Screen tak ada cala. And aku cari barang-barang from Japan ni, dia punya condition sangat bagus. Tak cala. Okay. SIM ada, SIM card tak dalam dia, kadang-kadang ada SIM card. Sekejap. Oh, tak ada SIM card. Saja je. Okay. So 5C. LCD ada sedikit kekuningan. Let me turn on this one. This is iOS 10. Nampak macam ada kekuningan kalau I think this one brightness. No, is it? Okay, let me change the language dulu. Rimas aku. This is time. Mana language ah? I think this one, is it? No. Eh? This one, is it this one? Language. This one is keyboard. I don't think so. Language is here. This one. iPhone. Blah blah blah. English, yes. Boom. Yes. Setting language. Okay, this is iOS 10. So kalau aku nak lock dia kan, dia press home. Okay. So for iOS 7, 8, 9, dia slide to unlock. Okay. Display and brightness. Oh, not too bad lah. Tak adalah kuning sangat. And kalau tengok compare tu dengan yang hijau ni, yang biru ni much more putih, whiter lagi. This one not too bad sebenarnya. So tak ada burning sangat lah dia punya LCD. Alright, nice. Kalau tengok kat home screen dia, the wallet app is still the same to iOS 9 dengan 10. Tapi dia tak ada health app. It's a bit weird. Health app ada. So apa yang tak ada? Home app. iOS 9 tak ada home app. Okay. So this is phone 5C. Next is iPhone 3G. Okay, 3G. I just bought 3G locally. Actually, did this one. What is 3GS? Oh no, this is 3GS. I just bought 3G and super steel 3G. This one Malaysia punya, kan? Tapi ZA lah. Okay, Malaysia punya. This is Japan punya. Kotak dia kurus sikit. Japan punya kotak kurus sebab dia punya power plug dia tu kecil kan, macam US, 2 prong. Okay, this is aku dapat full set, condition is very good, and adalah cacat sikit kan, tapi still very good condition. LCD dia, accessories tak ada kan, tapi dia still ada lagi SIM ejector dengan polishing bit kan, dengan this one iPhone punya microfiber cloth. Aku dapat less than 100, tak sampai 100 pun. Okay, 3G yang nampak Maxis punya. Okay, I think the issue is ada issue dia ni. I think power button dia kot. Power button dia tak responsif sangat, but still very good condition. Okay, so this one dapat Japan punya. Based on picture pun nampak macam condition dia sangat bagus. Ada screen protector. Again, tak ada cala sangat. Ada sikit kat sini. Other than that, nothing much. Screen protector, matte. Belakang, lemak, shining babe. Aku rasa dia mesti pakai case ni. SIM boleh keluar tak? Ada SIM card SoftBank. So most probably lock version lah, carrier lock lah, this one most probably. And 16 GB, kita tengok tu punyalah shining dia kan, macam baru dia, macam baru. Sekejap, ada okay, ada span original. Okay, what accessories ada, 30 pin ada, original earphone masih lagi ada. I think this is original iPhone. Yes, because I have the same thing untuk aku punya 3G white yang memang beli dari Maxis dulu. Accessories, SIM eject ada. Lama ada jugalah microfiber cloth ni, tapi dia tak ada plastik dia lah. Nice. Okay, iPhone branding 3G terbaik. So, adakah dia boleh turn on or not? Okay, let me turn on. Yes, ada juice. Boleh kita tengok. I cannot remember dia punya iOS version, but let's see. And iPhone ni keluar 2008. The first OS dia iOS 2, iPhone OS 2. But memang very hard to find lah yang iOS 2 punya OS. And unless kau beli seal iPhone 3G seal from 2008, most probably baru akan ada 2.0 punya iPhone OS. But telefon ni still continue selling in 2009. Bila 3GS keluar, dia still jual lagi this one. So bila 3GS keluar, they came out with iOS 3. So obviously iPhone 3G yang came out masa 2009 pun iOS 3 juga. That's why it's very difficult nak jumpa iOS 2 punya iPhone 3G. Okay. Emergency call. Jap. Kena connect to iTunes. Tapi kalau tengok dia punya kat sini, home screen dia ni, home screen iOS 4. Yes, iOS 4. I don't think 3G updated sampai iOS 5. Maybe ada iOS 5. iOS 6 memang obviously tak ada. So either iOS 4 or 5. Tapi aku kena activate kan dia through iTunes. I'll do it later. Okay, next is bunch of iPod. Okay, we have iPod Nano. This one is first, second, third, fourth or fifth gen. Kalau ada kamera is fifth, kalau tak ada kamera is fourth. Katanya baru, but I'm not quite sure how baru is it. Is it memang tak pernah buka? Also from Japan. So this one is iPod Nano. Tak seal pun. Dah pernah buka. I don't think this one is 5th gen. Sebab this is model yang tak ada kamera. Ya, betul lah. Model yang tak ada kamera. Okay. Not too bad. Macam tak ada apa-apa kesan yang macam pernah dipakai. Ada sikit scratch kat atas ni. I don't think ada bateri lah iPod. Very hard untuk dia tahan bateri dia, especially model lama. Okay, nice. Aku tak pernah ada this model, seriously. Really, tak pernah ada this model. 4th gen iPod Nano. Is it really 4th gen? Because the 3rd gen yang pontot tu, and lepas tu this one lah. And the 5th gen yang ada kamera. The 6th gen yang the touch screen. No, the 6th gen yang jump tu, aku ada yang jump tu. And 7th gen yang touch screen. I mean the jump tu pun touch screen. For this one is 4th. What type of accessories ada? Obviously dah use lah. Ni ada kemek-kemek kat sini. Earphone tak ada. Ada kabel je dengan dock adapter. Okay, not too bad. I will try to turn it on later. This two is baru lagi. Yes, ada seal tak broke lagi. Effort shuffle, 2GB, both color silver, and both color silver. This first version, this not first, this is second version iPod Shuffle. Dia ada dua jenis tau. Satu yang macam ni, dia lebar tau. Kalau tengok kotak dia kan, dia ada satu lagi version yang dia panjang. Dia kurus sikit kotak dia, and then dia panjang. Aku tak sure which come first. I believe this is the second batch. The first one is yang panjang tu lah, which is I'm looking lah at the moment. At least dapat satu lah. Dan sebab yang this kotak punya version aku dah ada dua actually. So tambah lagi dua ni lah. And then unfortunately this one colour dia sama. So tak sure sama ada aku akan keep both or maybe let go one lah. Okay. So aku tak akan buka lah, dia can seal lagi kan. Tak akan buka, just leave it like that. So that is this video, this episode punya Selam Tech from Japan. Okay, we have iPhone 3G, 2 iPod Shuffle, 1 iPod Nano, 1 iPhone 5C punya case, and the last one iPhone 5C color biru. Okay, ada lagi on the way. I need to stop. But because harga dia murah. Aku susah gila nak tahan diri beli kan. Tapi harga dia murah. Aku baru dapat MacBook White kan, bukan yang unibody tu. Full box. Aku dapat dalam $20. So that one tunggu nak sampai. Anyway, tu je yang aku nak share untuk video kali ni. Pada yang minat dengan aku punya hobi ni, maybe boleh share kalau korang ada the same hobby, and kalau nak bertukar pendapat ke apa ke, nak contact aku ke, nak tanya aku punya suggestion ke apa ke, boleh komen kat bawah. Right, ini aku nak kongsi untuk video kali ni. Jumpa kembali untuk video seterusnya. Assalamualaikum. Kong CD. Ciao.